Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Civil Classroom. So today we are going to solve a numerical to calculate the RL by the help of the collimation method from the leveling chapter. Readings are given here on the sloping ground at 13-meter interval, and the leveling staff is of 4 meter here. The staff can measure up to 4 meters. So this 3.380 must be the foresight before it changes its level. So the first reading is always the back side, and the middle readings are the intermediate sides, and this last reading near to the 4 meter staff is the foresight here before changing the auto level, and this will be the back side again after changing the auto level. The RL of the starting point is 80.750 meter, and we have to carry out reduction of height by collimation method and also apply the arithmetic. We will calculate the RL at the different level here, and then we will apply the arithmetic check for the height of the collimation method. Solution. Here given RL at starting point is equal to 80.750 meter. We have already solved a numerical to calculate the RL by rise and fall method. In this we will solve by height of collimation method. The only difference is there in the field level book, where we will have a column of height of instrument. Since this is a sloping ground, this must goes like this. The first reading here is 0.680. This is 1. This is a auto level, and the second reading here is 1.455. These are the intermediate readings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of here are the intermediate readings. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 1.455, 1.455, 1.855, 2.330, 2.885, and the last reading here is 3.380, which is foresight. 3.380. So this is station 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After this, the instrument is here changed. The staff is of 4 meters, so it can only read up to 4 meters. Then the instrument here is changed. So the backside here is 1.055. After changing the instrument, we get the backside and foresight at the same point here. Now again they are the intermediate reading. 1, 2, 2 intermediate readings, and that will be the foresight here. So 1.860, 2.265, and 3.540 here is a foresight. This is station 7, 8, and 9. This is changing point 1. Here RL is given at the starting point, which is 80.750 meter. Now the instrument is again changed here. First reading after changing the instrument is 0.835, which is again a back side, and then there are 2 intermediate side and there 4 side. So this is 1, 2, and 3. 0.945, 1.530, and 2.250. And here they staff on a continuously sloping ground at a 30-meter interval. So the total distance must be this is every station is of 30-meter interval. So it goes up to here. Now we will draw a field level book in which we will calculate the RL of every station. This is a level field book. The first column here is for a station, then chainage. Then we have back side, intermediate sides, and the foresight. For the height of collimation method, we have here a column for height of instrument, then the RLs, reduced levels, and last is for remarks. So in rise and fall method, we have column for rise and fall, but the only difference in height of collimation method is that we don't use a rise and fall, we use here a height of instrument. So the station are here 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is for sum. So the change here starts with 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300 and 330. The first reading here is a backside which is 0.680. Then there are the intermediate sides which is 1.455, 1.855, 2.330, 2.885. At station 6 there is a foresight 3.380. This is a changing point first, CP1, and here backside 1.055 after changing the instrument. So again there are the intermediate side 1.860, 2.265. Then there is a foresight which is 3.540 and backside 0.835. This is changing point 2, CP2. Then this is an intermediate reading 0.945, 1.530, and the last reading is here foresight 2.250. For HI method we have formulas. We have height of instrument is equal to given benchmark or RL plus backside when the backside is given, and for the calculation of RL we have RL is equal to HI minus foresight or intermediate side. So this is the formula we use to calculate this HI here. And for the arithmetic check, of HI, we have summation of backside minus summation of foresight is equal to last RL minus first RL. There is only two checks, whereas in rise and fall method we have also summation of rise minus summation of fall. So now for the height of instrument, the first RL is already given at station 1 which is 80.750 meter. This is benchmark. So we have HI is equal to benchmark or RL plus backside. The height of instrument here is 80.750 plus 0.68, which is equal to 81.430. Now we will calculate the RL which is equal to HI minus this intermediate side or the foresight. We have 80 minus 1.455 which is equal to 79.975. Then we have here RL is equal to this HI minus foresight or intermediate side, that will give this. Again this minus this will give here. So we will respectively do all these calculations here, which is HI minus foresight or intermediate side. Here HI is 81.430 minus, we will keep a value x which will represent the IS or foresight. So now we have, now x is 1.855 which is equal to 79.575. Then now we have 2.330 which is equal to 79.100. Then we have 2.885 which is equal to 78.545 here. We have x is equal to 4 side, that is 3.380, and the RL here is 78.050. Now again we will, since here is a back side, we will again calculate the HI, which will be RL plus back side, that is 78.05 plus 1.055, which is equal to 79.105 here. Now with this HI we will calculate the further RL here. 79.105 minus x, calculate. Now x is here 1.860, which is equal to 77.245. Again x is here 2.265, which is equal to 76.840. And then x is here the 4 side, which is equal to 3.540, which is the RL will be here 75.565. Now again there is a back side, so we will calculate the HI here, which will be 75.565 plus this 0.835. So we will calculate HI whenever there is a back side given. So this is now 76.400. Now 76.400 minus x, calculate. So x is now 0.945, which is equal to 75.455. We have 1.530. The RL will be here 74.870. Again x is here now back side, which is 2.250. So the RL here is 74.150. So now we have calculated all the RLs here. Now we will check whether the calculation we have done here is correct or not. For that we will do arithmetic check. Summation of back side minus summation of 4 sides will be equal to last RL minus first RL. So here summation of back side is 0.680 plus 1.055 plus 0.835, which is equal to 2.57, and the summation of 4 side here is 3.380 plus 3.54 plus 2.25, which is equal to 9.170. So here summation of back side is 2.570 minus 9.170, so will be equal to last RL is 74.150 minus first RL here is 80.750. So 2.570 minus 9.170, which is equal to minus 6.6, and 74.15 minus 80.75, which is minus 6.6. So this is checked. All the calculations we have done here, these are the correct RLs of the given reading here. So this is all for today numerical. For further more numerical we will solve in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.